Good morning students, welcome to biology class and today we are going to see the topic meristematic activity. The meristem. In the last class we already discussed about the meristems. How the meristems will be there and how the plant cells and animal cells are different. Plant tissues and animal cells are different and the plant tissues how it will be useful. What are the tissues are present in the plants. In this session we are going to be explained with the help of an activity. That aim. Observing the meristem tissue. Observing the meristem tissue. And what are the materials you needed to perform the activity? Materials. Onion, bottles, water, scale, chart. These are the materials to needed to perform this activity. And next, procedure. When you will be entered into procedure, you need to be set right one chart. Onion A, onion B. Onion A, onion B. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6. This was the chart you should be prepared. First you should be prepared it and kept it aside. And we should take the 3 bottles. I am going to take 3 bottles. One bottle is if any further purpose and I took the 3 bottles and I filled with water. 3 bottles are having water. This was A and this was B and this was C bottle. Yes, right? And next. And I took the 3 onions, 3 sized onions and fitted for these bottles. I took the 3 onions. Today's experiment I am going to be checked that the meristematic cells are going to be produced and it is only going to be helpful for the plant to grow or not. I am going to be checked it. And I kept these bottles filled with onions at day 1 like this. Yes. Like this I kept it and I observed for 6 days. And I got some roots. After 6 days, I got the roots for every onion. Did you observe the roots? Yes, I got the roots. And that the roots are nothing but meristem cells. That the roots are only called as meristem cells and they are going to be helpful for the plants to get the yield. Yes. And next. Take the 2 onions, kept it water and observed it day 1. After day 1, I observed with the help of a scale, I measured it. The help of a scale, I measured 3 onions, I kept in a water and day 1 after I checked it. Day 1 after I got it at the time of day 1 only 0.5 centimeters in A and B beaker. I got A and B beaker is having only 0.5 centimeters length only. The roots length I checked it. Okay. And next, after day 2, I checked it 1 centimeter. Both onions grown as 1 centimeter length. Day 3, like that I am checking day to day. Day 3, I checked it 3 centimeters. How I checked it? I took the scale like this and I measured it. Half centimeter, 3 centimeters, like that. Day after 3, I did it. And after 4th day, at the time of, after checking the day 3, onion B, I took it and I cut it. This onion B, I cut it. Like this, I cut it. Now you see now the length is decreased and I took the meristums now, cut it. And again I kept it in the water at the day 3. And after day 4, the onion A, the 3 centimeters increased to 5 centimeters. But the onion B, only 2 centimeters. Why 2 centimeters? I cutted it no? Yes. And next, day 5, onion A increased to 6 centimeters. Onion B, no, only 2 centimeters. Why? I cutted the meristematic cells. That's why the cells are not increased and the growth get stopped. Yes, and day 6, the onion cells A increased, B is 2 centimeters only. Here, what you observe? There is a cells not grown. Why? Because we cutted the meristem cells. Due to that, the cells cannot be produced. This chart is need to be maintained, and next the further activity is going to be do by yourself. And after getting these roots, you should sow in a soil like this. The plant can be get the grown. And if you cutted the roots, no meristem's roots, if you sow this, the plant cannot come. Why? Because the cells already cutted here. This is the explanation about the meristem cells. I want to clear the meristematic tissue, and today's activity is going to be completed, children. And like this chart you should be prepared, and it is helpful for you by practically by yourself. And today's activity is going to be completed. And what are the precautions? Need to be changed the water daily, and be careful when you are placing the onions in that. That is the thing. Thank you, children. And these meristematic tissues are going to be explained in the next class. And what are the types of these meristematic tissues? There are 3 types of meristematic tissues are there. What are they? Now we will see. First one, apical meristem. Second one, intercalary meristem. And the third one, lateral meristem. Lateral meristem. These are the 3 types of meristems are present in a meristematic tissue. What are the? This is apical, this is intercalary, and this is the lateral. Apical is used for keep on dividing the cells, growing the cells to height, and intercalary is helpful for widthening the size of the stem or root, and lateral meristem is going to be helpful to strong the root system. These are the 3 types of meristems we discussed, and these meristematic roots. With this experiment, I only explained the root system, but shoot system also we can be explained with the help of another activity we will be explained. If you want to check these meristematic tissues, you can be take onions, or you can take the money plants also. Money plant also, it can be spreaded the roots very fastly, and it can produce the meristem. And when we cut these meristems, We cutted the meristums from the onion cell, from the onion, no? The growth will be stopped here. The growth will be stopped here and the cells cannot be down. Why? Because we cutted and it will take so much time to grow as a normal onion. That's why the meristematic cells will play a very important role in these and it can be produced the roots and shoot system very fastly and it is only a play an important role in the plant tissues to generate each and every cell in a plant organism. And today's session is going to be completed, children, and tomorrow's session we are going to be see the with the help of other explanation about this meristem, and when we are going to be perform this you need to be very careful and the precautions is very needed and you should be performed it. I hope that you people will enjoy this activity and you should perform by yourself. You will make more anxiety and you can be grown some different types of plants around your houses by yourself. And be hygienic, be safe by yourself and be protective by yourself. Thank you, children.